My favorite thing in the world to do, and I haven't been able to do, is hide behind doors and scare him. I get him in the middle of the night, anytime.
So if I have a heart attack and die, we know why.
It's so much fun, though.
Hi, I'm Ed.
I'm Patty, and we've been married 47 and a half years.
And apparently we're going to go shopping together.
We want to hear about TikTok.
Oh, I got kind of rooked into doing that. Wasn't planning on doing it.
Our youngest videotapes when she thinks we're doing something silly.
You're not beating me.
I'm not losing.
You're not winning either.
The one that got the million or so was kind of crazy. We were just acting silly. That was about it.
I get texts from one of the sons going, you better tell our youngest she better step it up because these last TikToks have not been good.
Well, you threatened to fire her.
Yeah, I tried to fire her, but it doesn't seem to work. I kind of think our TikTok days may be over, you know.
All right, good. Our breakfast rooms where we usually all gather and eat the big meals and Christmas, Thanksgiving.
My home looks country, and then I usually have a pop of a color.
It's hard to describe what she really likes, but she likes to buy things, I know that.
Patty chic is what I call our house. It consists of lots of little birds around or a picture of a bird.
I remember we were talking to the kids one day, I told her, I said, we've got 68 birds in our house.
They were cracking up how many they counted.
How would you describe your style?
Probably more conservative, nothing real contemporary or real fancy.
I would never trust you shopping.
I'm a quick shopper.
That's why I got the same bracelet like 4 years in a row.
That was a mental error.
And it's too big for me, so I've never been able to wear it anyway.
No comment.
Can you describe Ed's style in 3 words?
Boring, boring, boring.
Boring is good. There's nothing wrong with boring.
Well, let's do this. Let's shop. I'm looking for the perfect table. Let's look at this one. Good price.
Well, that's probably a good choice. Kind of the picnic table look.
I think that is perfect.
I'm going to remember this, that she likes to look for sale items. Doesn't always happen.
Why don't I find a picture to go on the wall? Ooh, there's birds. Oh my goodness, let me look at those birds.
She's forgetting who she's shopping for.
Okay, I think, Ed, you're gonna love these birds. And they're little. He won't see them. Let's get the perfect sideboard. That might be the perfect one, right there. So let's get that.
I kind of like things to go together. It's not the same style as the dining table.
Now we're gonna find some fun stuff. Ooh, there's some more birds. I'd have to look at those.
I told y'all about the time she had 68 birds in the house. Now she's somehow gotten 5 birds in the breakfast room.
And you know what? By the time I put a plant in front of it, he'll never see them. He loves birds, don't you, Ed?
Not my taste. It's definitely her taste on that one.
Chick, chick. There we go. Let's keep shopping and find those chairs to go with it. Ooh, these are nice. Oh, Ed, you're gonna love these.
And they're cushion chairs with tufted backs. That's interesting.
Those are perfect, Ed. Perfect.
Those chairs would be good in a house that you didn't have kids. Breakfast room, probably not.
After going through this, I sure am hopeful that Ed's gonna let me update the house.
She did better on the software and the website than I thought she would do, which is encouraging because she's not computer user friendly. 0 to 10, with 10 being really good, I'll give her a 7. Well, here we go. I'm going to try to get Patty's perfect breakfast room. Do I just scroll down? How do you scroll? I don't.
2 fingers up and down.
Okay.
This is so funny.
Now I know why she was scrolling so slow.
You can't scroll at all.
Now let's see. Let's start with getting a table for Patty. Does this one have actual drawers in it? She loves drawers. She puts stuff in drawers everywhere. I really think that would be a good one. I'm going to pick that one.
I like that one. I have to agree with him on that one.
And then add to cart. Okay, now that we've got the table, I need to get some chairs that will match. I found my chair. I told you I was a quick shopper, didn't I?
Yeah, these are good. These are good.
She kept saying I wanted cushion chairs. I'm not a big cushion chair person because of the kids. It doesn't have to be that comfortable, but it needs to be when the kids spill food on it, you can clean it up.
Oh, Ed, our grandkids are older. There's only one, and she's in a high chair.
Need something else on the wall. I know Patty's breakfast room would have to have birds in it. She would definitely go with this one. And 16 by 16, that would work right where she would probably want to put it.
Perfect.
Patty absolutely loves her birds. Oh, and now wait a minute, now we're in trouble. There's a bird cage, so we're gonna do that one.
He's doing good.
If I buy every bird you have, I might be in trouble.
Oh, I'd love that he'd buy every bird on there. I would love it.
Okay, now let's get some plates. Oh gosh, I should have picked these plates with the hummingbirds on it,
Oh, they would be perfect.
but we're not going there. They're a little too grandmothery for me. Not gonna happen.
I am a grandma, Ed. Remember, we're grandparents.
I wanna do the red plates, but I'll probably find some white plates to go with the red so you can do a charger in the white.
Oh, fancy. It's fancy. Wow.
Patty definitely is impressed with me at this point.
Yeah, you use a paper plate usually to eat off of.
Okay, we need to get a sideboard to match our table. Here's one. This will work. Same color. It'll work.
No, not that one. I wanted it to pop.
If I'm using the red plates for the chargers, you can put some of the red plates that aren't being used there.
I really wanted some color in the sideboard.
Oh, I did great. I put enough birds in there for Patty, and I've got some red in there, so I think it'll work.
You missed the hummingbird. You should have gotten the hummingbird.
How did we do?
Great.
I think we did pretty good.
Yeah, I think there were a couple things that weren't quite my style and there was one thing I would have picked something else, but yeah, he did well.
Patty did really good on the table.
Can I hear that again? One more time?
One more is enough. She did really good on the table.
You should have gotten the hummingbird plates.
No, they look
Yeah.
like my grandmother, and no, we're not going that route.
We're grandparents.
I know, but I'm not there. No.
I think we might get those plates for Mother's Day.
I thought I'd already done Mother's Day.
Don't remember.
Whoa.
Patty, would you let Ed design this space for you for real?
You want me to be honest? Possibly. He had a lot of good choices. I might let Ed decorate the space for real.
No.